Okay, hi friends. We're going to talk today about branding and specifically branding with labels. So, when you are packaging up products, when you are giving products to a customer, you should be labeling every single thing that leaves your hands, period. Your customer needs to know how to reorder. If they give it as a gift, they need to be able to, the person that received it needs to know where to order. So, it's really important that you label everything. But slapping a label on your order that is not brand specific, that is not a reflection of who you are, is actually detrimental to your brand. So I want to teach you how to make your own labels so that you can do this affordably, but so that you can make them cute and to your style. So I recently created new labels for my brand. This is what they look like. And as you can see, they just look super, super cute when I put them on a product. So I want to take you through how I did this very, very inexpensively. So first I'm going to show you how I did it. And then I want to show you um, where to order from. So we're just going to minimize me here and we're going to pull up Avery.com. So you can see I created this label here and I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. So we're going to create a new project and we're just going to do round labels. Okay. And my labels are 2-inch labels and they are 2-inch and 12 to a sheet. So this template will work. And basically when you choose the template, the next step is to choose a design. And you have a ton of different designs here that you can choose from. For the purpose of this video, we're gonna teach you how to layer images in and make it completely custom, make it your own. So we're gonna select the blank design. Now, I have everything already imported into my Avery design template because I've already created this. But if you were going to do this, you could add an image and you could do it from your computer. So pull it in for the first time from Browse Your File. Or Avery Gallery has a bunch of different things that you could choose. And obviously, you've got different categories here. Or my account, these are things that I have recently uploaded. So we're going to start with this logo image. So I'm going to select that. And I'm just going to resize me a little bit here. Okay, and it's going to tell you that you're outside of the safety area. Obviously, I know that, but what I want in the image is in the circle here. So I'm okay with that. Now, the next thing that I'm going to upload is the little buffalo print background here. And we are going to add an image and we're going to pull in the buffalo. Now I found this buffalo background by literally Google image searching buffalo background. Okay, so it's not hard. Let's not overcomplicate it. I want to make sure that this is wide enough. And then I'll just pull it down. Again, it's outside of the safety area, but I don't mind because I am going to see what's printed to the edge. So that's fine. Now, I want to send this to the back because obviously I want my image of me in front of it. So arrange, send backward. Or you could do send to back, same thing. Okay, now, in order to, I could have made this into a completely transparent background, but I did not. It's fine, it has white here, and I'm gonna show you why. This is a little harsh. This dark background is a little harsh. So what I'm going to do is if I am clicked on here, I can change the transparency over here and lighten it up. I want it gray, like my shirt, and I am happy with that. And then to cheat a little bit so that white isn't so obvious, if I just slide it over, see how the white just kind of blends in now? It looks like it's part of it. Perfect, it works. Okay, then the next thing that I want to do is I am going to add some text. Now, on my label here, I have curved text above my image. So to do that, we're just going to add curved text. .us, and that is my website. Now, obviously, I want that to be where people are going to order from. And so I am going to change the style of the text just to something a little bit more fun. Not that. Doesn't really matter what it is as long as it's on here and you guys pick whatever style fits you. I don't remember what I picked for this originally, but I'm just going to make that a little bit larger so that you see that. Now, the next thing is I added some images here for Instagram, my phone, and then Facebook. So we're going to import those, and those are going to be imported individually. Add image from my account. So first I had the Instagram, so we're going to select that. And you're just going to resize it to however big you want it to be. So that looks good. And I'm going to put that right here. Okay. And then I'm going to add another image. My cell phone was the next one I put in. And again, I got these by searching Google Images, transparent Facebook logo, and then transparent cell phone clip art or mobile phone clip art, whatever you want to do. So don't overthink it, guys. Google Image, save them down. It's all you have to do. Okay. Then I'm just going to make these kind of center these. It's not an exact science. I don't do anything special. This one I know is in the center because it gives me this little measuring tool. Then after that, I need to add the text. That's going to be my cell phone and my handle for both Instagram and Facebook. So we're going to add a text box here. And, ooh, I did too. I did not want to do that. Sorry about that. Let's delete this and move this one down. Now that is way too big and it's frankly not the right kind of font. We want a more basic type font and the size is going to have to be much smaller. So we're just going to go here like this. Maybe do a size 8. And then we're just going to start typing. Take this out and put my phone number and then my handle at the Johanna Luna. Okay, and then you just got to move this here so that it is outside of here. So it's just playing with it to get it to do what you want it to do. So this, I don't like, it's giving me some, obviously the images can overhang a little bit and that's fine. What I don't want to have happen is that my, anything that I've typed out, so for example, any of my information, obviously I need it to be legible. So that should be good. So now what we're going to do is I'm just going to preview and print. It's giving me warning backgrounds. That is for the Buffalo check, everything that kind of overhung, but I can see that everything is in the template that I want to be in the template. So here is my finished product here. And then you have two options here. The first one is print it yourself or let us print it for you. I want to print it myself, okay? And then get PDF to print. I don't want to save it. I already have this saved. This was just for the purpose of this, but if you were doing this for yourself, I would recommend you save it so you could print it at any time. And then here we go. It gives you a PDF and then you would literally just go up here and print. You could save the PDF down. That's what I did. And then that way I always have them available to print. So I printed a bunch of these at one time. I printed probably 100 of them so that I'm ready to go as orders come in and I can print stuff out. And then as I need more, I'll just print more off. It's that easy, guys. It doesn't have to be expensive and it certainly does not need to cost you a lot of money to have branded labels. If you don't want to do the work, you can go through a Vistaprint or whatever else, but you're still going to be printing it. You're still going to be designing it yourself initially, so you might as well do it this way. Now, I did get a big order of labels off of Amazon. This is an off-brand. It's not Avery. This is TYH Supplies. I bought them on Amazon. I got 1,200 labels for like $8 or $9, so really inexpensive. But you can look on there, just type in 2-inch labels and pick one a quantity that makes sense for you. And then I print them myself. The other thing is I have an HP printer, because one of the things everyone always wants to know is, well, what about the cost of ink? My HP printer is set up on Insta Ink, which means that HP will send me ink every time that I run out for a low fee per month. I think I pay $14.95 a month, and they just send me ink as I'm running it out, as I'm running low. It kind of tracks it through the Wi-Fi, the data, and sends it to me when I need it. So again, ink is super cheap. This is very inexpensive, and I can just do it myself. And this label looks great. I don't think it looks, I think it looks just as good on my products as something I would buy on on Vistaprint, and I'm able to do it myself and design it the way I want to and do it for super, super cheap. So I hope that helps, guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.